Let's find what kind of materials we will need to create these kind of earrings. As you can see, there is a lot of different variations of this kind of beautiful earrings. By changing a bit different materials, you will get different results. Even these ones are nice without any dangle part. In this online course you will learn the technique how to create this kind of beautiful earrings. And now I will share with you what kind of materials you will need for this pair. In this online course we will create earrings in purple color. For it we will need 2 pearls of 10 millimeters, and as well the same color we will need 4 millimeters pearls. Exact amount of how many pearls and crystals you will need you will find in PDF file attached to this online course. Needle size 10, beading thread. I have here lilac color beading thread, but you can use even white or black or gray. If you're a beginner, I would suggest to purchase some color gray or beige, because they mostly suit to a lot of designs. It's Nymo thread, or you can use as well Ceylon thread. Links are added to PDF file what is attached to this course. Then we will need Preciosa Deep Tanzanite Bicon crystals 4 millimeters. Here I have some emerald green crystals, zirconstone crystals of 2 millimeters we will need. Then purple green crystals of 2 millimeters. Of course we will need Rivoli crystals of 10 millimeters. They're actually 10.7 millimeters of Preciosa crystals. Then earring hooks, or you can use leather bag clasps. It's up to you what you have in stock. Scissors, 2 colors of seed beads I have here. I have here Preciosa 10-0 seed beads and Toho 15-0 seed beads. And mostly that's it. As you can see, there is not a lot of materials needed for this tutorial, as I usually like to do, because then it's easy for you to find the materials and you can try yourself straight away without any stress to find the materials. As well, there is another option. If you don't have Bicon crystals in 4 millimeters, you can use 4 millimeters rondelli crystals, or here I have zirconstone of 4 millimeters. They will suit perfectly as well. As you can see here, this pair, what we will do on online course, I use Bicon crystals of 4 millimeters, but here same design but with round crystals of 4 millimeters, and as you can see they are nice as well and fit perfectly. And let's start.